and I do my normal procedure, which is winning.
Yeah.
And you said, you're betting me that I can't beat you again. Is what I say? So I'm saying that.
I'm not betting, I'm guaranteeing.
Oh. So you guarantee I can't beat you back again. But sorry for both your bubble miss a catchphrase. Is what I say? I don't know if you catch me on the wrong time or you catch me on the right time. But you say anytime you catch me, I'm willing to fight. Yes, what I say? Anytime a day you catch me, that's a difference between me and you. I have my thing them stay so load up. They run on one part. So when you run on for my ends now, miss a catchphrase. You can just start spray and wet you. Yes, what I say? And like you know, you have to stay so boom and link up couple man. You have to try black up there so call 2 man up there. Yeah, process slow. Is it?
Yeah, I'd like to let you know I'm not in with the chattings. Too much chattings, I go on.
Alright, power tap live them my team. I just join, me nah something them, me don't move. 2 more minutes, Mr. Catchphrase. Stay and make the people them go and tap on power tap live, repost it live, share up live, who are go recharge because you don't know them aggravated that way you just say a while ago. You know? So I know some of my ladies them go. Recharge.
Alright, what's up, guys? I'll just pick a fight, yeah. Please don't make me get thumped in my mouth.
Team. I be a badness that come here with, you know. I be a badness. Me I beg you to repost it live and share it for me. Please, me team. You see it? Cause me don't want him. Boy, me don't want to get slapped in my face now. You don't know anything, you don't know me, I no worry already. You don't know me need enough to back me. You see what me I say? You don't know me need enough to back me. You don't know me badness minimal already. If you don't back me. You see it? You see, for as long as me have one in my corner, me not afraid of nobody. Me not afraid of nobody. So we are begging us on tapping ice cream, we are begging us on repost. I beg my ladies them go recharge if you can recharge. Cause they start the war. The boy start the war team. Jesus Christ, Mr. Catchphrase start the war.
Right.
Yes, what I say? Some people them just recharge, share up your life, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, say Akeam the live. And we are up Mr. Catchphrase.
Alright, guys, everybody share the live. Tap the screen, share the live.
Heard about you.
Carrot up to 100k taps, my team. Carrot up to 100k taps, my ladies. Carrot up to 100k taps.
Guys,
Power tap your live.
Buying time. I don't even know who to share the live to. Who do I share the live to?
First to 3 we're playing, right?
Back at you.
Just share it to, I go share it to myself. Best thing I can do right now.
Mr. Catchphrase, share your life to me for.
Thank you for the follows, guys.
Mr. Catchphrase, share your life to me for. Anyone me in my live and continue give.
You said, hold on, what you say, sir?
Why you share your life to me, Mr. Catchphrase? You want me in my live and continue some gift?
Speaking of which, I'm gonna ask you this. One day, yeah, I'm gonna try and get #1 in England. Yeah, it's very difficult. If I need the SOS call just one time ever, would you be in about 2 months? Would you be able to?
How you mean, Mr. Catchphrase? I each one help one man. But I drop 2 things for your screen, man. How you say to me, man?
Yes, brilliant. Brilliant. You know what's funny? I was having a conversation with somebody about it, and I says one time, if I ask him, he would say yes, and then something tells me you would. And I'm not really one to ask creators that either.
Yeah, man, I know them way them man, it's a catchphrase, but you can't watch no faces. What me I say? We are co-worker. Each one help one, you see it?
Real. Anyways, too much chatting. Let's go.
Alright, ready. Send him much, Mr. Catchphrase. You know, no money, you know. Come in, my team. Go up Uncle Catchphrase on the first triple, my team.
Oh,
we'll catch him in the right intersection.
Guys, it's the first triples, guys.
Alright, we'll catch Uncle Catchphrase on the clip. We'll catch him in the intersection team. Use the first triple.
Nobody's tapping.
Use the first triple. I remember my tappers that we need to hear. Important as well.
I just picked a fight with somebody. I've made them upset.
First triple.
I made them upset.
We have bowling for nuggets.
He's number 2. Shite.
So much. Go, my team. Go, my team. Money G, thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Guys, I
picked a fight with somebody.
I can't even back my talk. I beg on a bad snipe on the triple.
How about that?
Beg on a bad snipe on the triple. I my team. Beg on a bad snipe. Power tap live. Alright, then team.
Stallion, I was just about to share the live to you, and I said I'm
Power
not
tap
doing
live.
it.
Power tap live.
Thank you, Stallion. Missed the triples though. Missed it.
Everybody over here, we are begging.
Alright, can we have a glove check?
Hours now, my ladies.
Caramel, you hear?
Hours, you know. But we are going to whap him.
Alright.
You see it? Hours now, my ladies. But we are going to whap him. We are begging some power tap. The please enter.
Guys, they're gonna go quite heavy on these doubles. I was falling asleep. Stallion, do you have any gloves? Can you let me know what power-ups you have? How many do you have? Akeam.
Yeah.
Actually, it doesn't matter. Forget. I was gonna ask you something, but it's not a conversation I have on TikTok. I just remember. All right, guys. So Stallion. If this is a 60-second speed, 2 roses, please, guys. If it's a 60-second speed, 2 more roses. Right, if it's a 60... Akeam! If it's a 60-second speed... Oh, throw the glove on 30 seconds of this, please.
All right. Sure, beg on our gloves, team.
Hey,
Akeam. Gloves, ladies.
Stallion,
ladies, them have a gloves in our chat.
Oh, he's got a 4-win streak as well.
Team, none of my ladies, them have a gloves in our chat.
Take that. Oh, no. Diddy said
team,
that.
None of my ladies, them have a gloves in our chat.
All right, guys, come on, let's go.
That is it.
They've gloves. We glove now. We glove.
Go on the gloves. Money G, thank you, Sissy Boo.
And the glove's gonna out.
Pamela, thank you.
Oh, there's 2 gloves. I only needed 1, Stallion.
Snipe.
All right, we're gonna work the gloves, guys.
Snipe the gloves.
Work it.
Snipe the glove. Farah, thank you so much, sister.
All right, work the gloves.
Snipe the gloves.
Boy, work the glove, guys. Work it. Akeam! Work the glove, guys. There's another one.
Nadine, thank you. Big on 1 gloves, let me tell you.
Work it, guys. There's 1
Pamela,
glove
thank
left.
you
Work
so
it while
much.
we got it, because we can push
Locked in. Big on gloves, let me tell you. Big on gloves.
They're gonna chase us now. Use it, guys.
Who have our next gloves?
Milky. Use it, guys. Use it if you can. What's that?
Don't drop it yet, team.
That connected again.
Alright, Marshall, drop that glove.
Didn't even know you could connect like that so many times, guys.
Who else have an next gloves?
Alright, now they need to catch us. Alright, so right. Hey, Akeam, do you have any gloves? What is going on here? Akeam took a 40 heartbeat.
Who is have next gloves?
When did you become that? Guys, don't send nothing unless it's on the glove from this point on, guys.
Team, who else have a next
them
gloves?
To catch us.
Thank you. Good night, my sister.
Right, guys, don't send anything unless it's on the glove. Akeam got 3. Does anybody have any shades? Because they're gonna shade us out as well.
Yo, who have a miss?
I called it, didn't I?
Who have a miss? Drop your gloves in our last 30, Marshall.
Okay.
Drop your gloves in our last 30.
Have you got 1, Caramel?
Shit.
All right, guys, we're gonna have to kind of see what results they put up. I'm saying if they do actually start shooting, they're gonna go 30s.
Go up on the gloves.
It's gonna have to be over 30 to beat us.
Go, my team. Go.
And Akeam, last 30.
Thank you
Caramel
so
with the
much.
mist as well, please.
Go.
See, they're pushing.
Marshila,
Last 30,
thank you
please.
so much. Go, 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 go.
You don't have any
Marshila, drop your
gloves,
gloves
Alana.
now. Drop your gloves
See, look,
now. Drop
now
your
they're
gloves.
pushing.
Bumbo
Now
clot.
they're pushing. There we go.
Marshila, thank
There
you.
we
Drop your
go.
gloves now.
Missed
Drop
as
your
well,
gloves
please.
now, Marshila.
Oh, they've missed
Money,
us.
thank you.
I can't see
All
what
right,
they've
drop
got.
one more. Go, my team. Go,
There we
go,
go.
go. They're gonna
All
want
right,
more
guys.
gloves. They're
They
gonna want
are
more gloves. They're gonna want
on.
more.
Come on, guys. They're on 22 still. They're on 22 still.
Come
Still
in,
on
go,
22.
go, go, go,
They're
go,
still
go,
on
go.
22.
Marshila, you loves with the
They're
gloves.
still on 22. Whoa, Alican. They're on 23 now.
Snipe.
They're on 23. 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 They're on 24.
Snipe.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Absolutely amazing, team. Absolutely amazing. So, Stallion, MVP, you got a miss. Ali Khan. Stallion, you're gonna need to get an emote.
What we doing?
Ali Khan, thank you.
Yeah.
MVP to you. Caramel, MVP to you. GMVO,
Sheila Money G.
K Goods,
Alicia.
Jalil,
Paulette.
Sexy K,
Thank you so
and
much. Everybody who got
Jays,
support me.
Yannick,
Thank you so much.
team, and everybody else who tapped the
Thank
stream.
you.
Mr. Akeam,
Thank you. XXX. Every Marshila. Yeah?
you see, when I come and guarantee something, I get shit done.
Yeah, but it's first to 3, bro. You're just like
First to 3. Is that what you
So
said?
we're playing one game?
Oh, I play a first to 2.
Okay.
Because really and truly, if you don't win the next game, you're not going to win the one after that.
Bro, just play the first to 3. Bro. I'm telling you. Just play the first to 3. One or 2 game doesn't define you, bro.
I know. I'm only messing. All right, guys,
Okay.
triple.
Use a first triple. The biggest gift of on that triple.
Watch him get a lion.
Let me
Now.
drop it, team.
This is the thing. They're gonna get a lion.
Team.
This is what's gonna happen now.
First triple. Use that first triple.
You can't run from matches.
Use that first
you're
triple.
gonna lose, guys.
Marshila, thank you.
Stallion, thank you. See that?
Use that first triple.
They've got 9.
Use that first triple.
There we go, guys.
Mona G, thank you. Mona G, thank you.
Caramel,
Pamela,
thank you.
Big on snipe.
Somebody else as well. Somebody snipe it, guys. Somebody snipe it.
Misha, Wally, Baloguna, snipe.
Snipe. Oh, we didn't get the snipe on that. Okay. All right, keep tapping, guys. Keep tapping, guys. Lenora, be positive.
Power tap your life. All right, then. So we get another speed, my team. We have a glove span that double, we are going to come.
All right.
A triple.
Glove this for me, please, Ali Khan.
Team, who have a
this for me,
glove?
please. It's a
We
triple.
gloves that triple, yeah?
It may be a high number to get. I don't know.
Okay,
Maybe
gloves
a
that
high
triple,
number
yeah?
to
Who have a
collect the
glove?
triples, guys. But if everyone can try and catch the speed when it starts
Thank
to
you.
come. It's 8 roses.
Thank you, class.
It's 8 roses.
Thank you. Not
There we go.
glove.
Thank you,
All right,
Ali Khan.
1 rose team.
Thank you. 8 roses,
Who have a
team.
gloves? We are big on gloves.
All right, we caught it.
Yeah.
Ali Khan, glove down
Big
the
on
middle of
gloves for
this.
triple for
If we glove down the middle, we risk the chances of them
All right, clip
scoring
it.
higher.
Drop
So
it.
if you want
Drop
to
it,
push a
triple.
little bit on the
Drop
triples,
it on the triple.
push a little bit.
All right.
But they're gonna
Go
glove. So
triple,
we
use
glove,
the triple.
guys. There we go. Thank you.
Go, no,
Who
my
was
team.
that?
Go, my team.
You really
Go,
did
team,
have a
go.
glove as well. How did you get a
Go,
glove?
team. Go,
yeah,
go,
loads of
Marshila,
people have
thank
had
you.
gloves since they've been
Gloves
out.
triple, gloves
Right,
triple,
guys,
gloves triple,
through
gloves
the glove,
triple, gloves
guys.
triple.
Alican, gloves on the
Yeah,
last
go,
30 of
team.
this as
Gloves
well.
triple,
Thank
gloves
you.
triple.
Now we go, guys. Now we
Gloves
go as a
triple,
team.
glove triple, glove
Boy,
triple.
Stallion, thank you.
Glove
Oh,
triple,
they got
glove triple,
47.
glove triple,
Future
glove.
City connected with them. We're not out though. It's a triples, guys. It is a triples,
Thank you
guys.
so much. Gloves triple.
All right.
Pamela,
Team,
thank you. Gloves
you.
triple,
We're not
triple,
out, guys.
triple,
We're
use
not
the
out.
triple.
We're not out. Don't
The
let
triple
me
not
out.
done. The triple not done, team. The triple not done.
Combos, guys.
The triple
Combos
not
is
done,
what we
ladies. The
do.
triple not done.
We're not out,
The
guys. We're
triple
not
not done. The
out.
triple
We're
not done.
not
The
out.
triple
They're
not done. The
expecting
triple
us to
not
be
done.
out.
Snipe.
Thank you. Now we're 22K, 23K.
Snipe.
There we go, guys. We're
Marshila,
not
thank
out.
you.
We're not out.
Snipe.
We are not out,
The
guys.
triple
We are
not done. The
not
triple not
out. I
done.
refuse to
The
say we're
triple not
out,
done. The
guys.
triple not done.
Okay. All right, guys. So,
team. All right, then, my team. They're not the far.
they're not that far ahead.
Ladies.
They're not that far ahead, guys. They're not that far ahead. They're not that far ahead, guys. They're not that far ahead. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ali Khan. What are them jelly plus and nuts? Jellyfish. Good morning, Natalie. All right.
Who else have a gloves? Who else have a gloves?
Do you think now's the time?
Look, thank you so much. Don't drop the gloves in. I'm just ask.
The special one.
Who in the chat has a gloves?
Not the actual thing.
Right, drop your miss in the last 30
seconds. Have a number 2. Drop that. Drop that number 2 on the last 30 seconds.
Money sister. Drop your gloves in like 30 seconds.
Camera, do you think it's now's the time for
30 seconds
power up?
30 seconds. So clip, you're missing a 30-second money G. Your money going in a 30 seconds.
I don't know.
Team, we need everybody to go panda gloves there with money G. I go drop in a 30 seconds.
You can take that regular. Alright then, cool. Alright guys, Ali Khan, you have a glove again as well. Ali Khan, if you can drop a glove, last 30, please.
Alright, don't drop that key. I tell you when to drop that.
Alright, glove and 2, please. So, Caramel, you're gonna double instantly. You're gonna instantly double, providing Ali Khan don't take over you.
Drop it.
Okay?
Drop it.
There we go. Shoot, team. Shoot, they've missed it. They've missed it. Alright, we're on 30.
Go.
They're on 56, 57. They're on 56, 57. 57, guys. They're on 57. They're on 57. They're on 57. Boy, they're on 57 still, guys. They're still on 57. They're still on 57. Next glove. Oh, there's next glove. They're on 57 still, guys. They're on 57. We need a next glove and a next timer.
Yes. The
timer. We needed the next glove with it.
Marshila, you get a glove.
That's 1-1, guys. Hey, Pillar.
Melissa, you get a glove.
Pillar, I don't.
You got thank you so much, my lady. Sexy Changi, big up yourself in a Marshila.
Alright, guys, this is what is 1-1.
Melissa, clip, none
MV fam, damn diggity. Stallion.
Big up yourself,
all day.
Queen.
All day, Stallion.
Queen Christine, I can't be our Interstellar, please.
Make a
Queen Christine, I beg you, Interstellar.
Thank you. Caramel, thank you. K Good, Jen, Jalil, Slimatic, Kimnisha, BD, and Yannick. Alright, take too long to drop the glove on 40 minutes. 40 minutes? Alright. MVP to you all, guys. MVP. Alright, we're going to use this opportunity, guys. This is the 1-1 game. This is the last game. MVP Stallion. I did say that, didn't I? Alright, this is the last game of what I'm doing today, guys. And it's been a very, very, very productive day. Thank you for everyone. Or if we win, lose, or draw, guys. Okay. Win, lose, or draw.
My youth, a 3 game we are playing on my youth.
This one gets me hype.
Yo, you're not hearing me, I sit here. Yo.
Here we go. Hold on. Yo, our first to 3 we are playing. I only can do one more. I'm tired, my bro.
Alright, then no problem. So that one you had the last game for wrap it up then?
Yes.
Alright, bro, no problem.
Alright.
Hold on, don't start the match. Start, you send it off.
You want me to send the match?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, this is the last one. I don't even know how I'm awake at this point. Last game, guys. Last game. This is the last game, guys. Let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah, my last game, this. I could wrap up the last game with my team.
Alright, guys. If it's a triples, we need to go hard on the triples, guys.
Team, I could wrap up the last game. Team, I could go hard on the triples, guys. We have got hard on that triple there.
Hard on the triples, guys, if you can.
We are big on one.
They're gonna go high, guys.
We are big on big snipe on that triple my team. We are big on one big snipe on that triple. Please, my team, one big snipe on that triple. One big snipe on that triple. Me are big on one big snipe on that triple. Me are big on one big snipe on that triple. Marshila, thank you. We are begging
They're gonna
one
go
big
high,
snipe
guys.
on that
Let's
triple.
match
Big
them.
snipe on that triple. Me, I beg my team.
Let's match them,
We
guys.
are
Thank
begging
you,
one big
Pillar.
snipe on that
Let's match
triple.
them, guys. We've got to match them.
We are begging one big snipe.
They've
Money
caught.
G,
They're
thank you,
halfway
my
there
sister.
next to us now. Somebody
Use
else
the
push,
triple, use the
please.
triple, use the triple, use the triple.
Match them,
team.
guys. Thank you, K.
Use the
Good.
triple, use the triple. Sexy Changi, thank
Ooh.
you.
Stallion.
Clip.
All right.
The game not done yet, man.
All right, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah. From what I know of his team now, yeah, they're going to capitalize. They're going to capitalize on the next speed. I hope there's not a next speed. In fact, if everybody stops tapping, there probably won't be. Oh, check that.
Man, thank you so much.
I chat too quick.
Team,
How many gloves do we have, guys? How many gloves do we have?
Somebody else
Tell me.
May I beg you?
Before we catch the speed, can you let me know how many gloves we
May I
have?
beg you? 2
So I
gloves
know
for
if
that
we've got
speed,
one
yeah.
now. If we've got two, we can use one
Thank you.
now.
May I beg you?
If
2
not, we have
gloves
to
for
use it
that
at the
speed.
last.
After
Use
we
the
did
doubles.
that, yeah.
All right, Ali Khan's got one. Caramel, do you have a glove for the last 30?
And go one box up.
I need to know. When did you turn 31? Ali Khan. Oh, Stallion's got one. Okay, Ali Khan, can you drop your glove on this speed, please? Okay, Ali. Oh, use yours. No, Caramel's gonna drop the glove, guys. Caramel's gonna drop the glove. They've gloved early. How can we get to 22? Oh, yeah. Caramel's gonna drop the glove. Okay, Caramel drop the glove. Guys, don't send anything until you see the glove. Okay, wait for the gloves. That'll be your best chance to capitalize on because they're gonna snipe. I say future
team. We
city.
are begging us on help on the last game. We are begging us on help, team.
Because that's what they
Begging us on help.
use. Oh, it was Interstellar. That's not too bad. If that would have connected, guys, we would have been in trouble. Would have been in big trouble.
Gloves, Maki, thank you so much, mommy.
But they've got no glove now, so now it's our turn.
One more glove, one more glove,
That's
one
our
more
turn
glove,
now, guys. Let's
one
go.
more gloves. Queen, thank you.
Now it's our
Begging
turn.
one
Let
another
them
gloves,
fret.
begging one another gloves, begging one
Now
another
they have
gloves,
to
begging
catch
one another
us. Let's
gloves.
make them catch
Go up on the
us.
double, go up on the double, go up on the
There
double.
we
go up on
go.
the double,
Pillar
go up on the
again.
double, Go up on the double, go up on the
Big
double.
shot. Everybody go
Alright,
through
that
this
is
glove.
it
The
in a
glove again,
marking.
guys. Don't let them push now.
Snipe gloves,
There we
snipe
go.
gloves and
There
doubles,
we
gloves
go,
and doubles,
guys.
gloves and
Let's
doubles,
go
snipe,
further.
snipe,
Sorry.
snipe, snipe, snipe,
And
snipe.
again.
Snipe, 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 snipe,
That one
snipe, snipe, snipe,
connected.
snipe. Snipe, 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 snipe,
Boy,
snipe,
Ali
snipe,
Khan.
snipe.
There we go. They've still got a glove
Snipe
up,
the glove,
guys.
snipe the
Thank you,
glove, snipe the
everybody.
glove. Melisha, thank you. Use the
All
gloves,
right.
use the gloves,
There we
use the
go,
gloves,
team.
use the gloves. Faithful mommy, we are
There we go,
begging
team.
you, please.
There we go. That glove run out for them.
Shit.
That glove has
Melisha,
run
that
out.
is it, you know.
Okay,
We have
Ali
to
Khan,
check,
last
we have to
30,
check.
please.
11K though. Who else have a glove?
Last
Who else
30.
have a glove?
If they
Who else have
miss,
a glove?
guys, I will read out the score. MVP, guys. Pillar, thank you. Pillar, thank you very much.
Big on us on help, me team. Big on us on help.
All right. Ali Khan, last 30. If you have any other power-ups, let me know. If you have a 2 and a 3, guys, I need a lightning bolt, 2 and a 3.
Big on us on
Ideally.
help on a push now, me team. Shit. Team, we have gloves.
Wait,
Who have gloves?
30.
Team, just
Guys.
tell me. Just talk to me in the chat. Who have gloves?
Okay.
One more
If you have
person
one
up.
glove, guys, you need to have a glove to the
Who
end
have
of the
gloves?
game.
Who have
They're
gloves?
pushing closer, okay?
Who have gloves, team?
In fact,
Who else have gloves? Who else? Somebody
I'll tell you
else
what
have
we'll do.
gloves. Who else have gloves?
Stallion,
Who
do you
else
have a glove as well?
Don't drop it yet, Monkey. Who else have gloves? Who else have gloves?
Stallion, drop your glove 40. Ali Khan, drop your glove 40 as well. Just drop your gloves at 40, guys. Both of you drop your gloves at 40. Both of you.
Alright, Monkey, send me tonight.
Then we'll have a glove from 40
on
onwards.
team snipe.
There we go. 2 gloves, 2 gloves, another glove, one more glove, one more glove, one more glove,
We are big on
one more glove.
Yeah, you have
We
missed.
start shooting,
Drop the
guys.
miss
That
now.
other
Drop the
glove's
miss
not
now.
gonna.
Drop the
There we
miss
go.
now. Drop the miss
It was
now.
still
Drop
at
the miss
30,
now.
but it's okay.
Drop the gloves, Maki. Drop the gloves, Maki.
40
Drop
doesn't
the
make
gloves.
a
Drop the miss
difference. I don't know
now.
why I'm listening.
Gloves are miss. Gloves are miss. Alright, go.
Don't make a difference. There we go, and we've missed it as well. Let's see what he's saying to them.
Go, my team.
There we go,
my
there we
team,
go. They're gonna
my team,
snipe.
go,
They're gonna
my
snipe.
team, Go.
That's
Go,
boxes
my
2
team,
and
go,
3, guys.
Go, my team, go. Go, my
Oi,
team, go.
oi,
Go,
they're
my
coming,
team,
guys.
go.
They're coming. They're coming.
Thank you.
They're
Go,
coming.
good try. Snipe,
They're coming,
snipe,
guys. They're
snipe,
coming. They're
snipe,
coming.
snipe,
Snipe, guys. Snipe.
Sexy Changi,
Snipe,
thank
guys.
you.
Snipe, snipe, snipe.
Snipe.
Snipe, snipe, snipe.
Snipe, Mona G, thank you. Snipe, my team, snipe,
Yes.
snipe. Shit.
Catchphrase team. Come on.
That's it, thank you. Fuck the boy, I lucky, man.
Well done, team. Absolutely well done. No shadow of a doubt, guys. That was amazing teamwork. Pillar, thank you. MVP to you. Stallion, MVP to you too. Alican, MVP to you. Caramel, MVP to you. K
Yes,
Goods,
Christ,
MVP to you.
Maki,
Shauna, MVP to you.
Monichi,
Unique,
Melisha,
MVP to you.
Sheila,
Twin,
Cookie,
MVP.
Christine,
Tanisha,
Odette,
MVP.
Clip,
Shelly.
Clip, Nanny T.
Boom. Boom,
Jesus,
guys.
really, thank you. Everybody who can support the live, I really appreciate it from you, team.
Boom.
Thank you so much. Yeah, come catch you, man. Don't worry.
Sir, at the beginning of this conversation, I told you I get shit done. Yeah? So listen, big up you and your team. But listen, when I say something, I mean it, yeah? Look at his face. Congratulations to you and your team. Love my brother, okay?
Big up,
Yeah.
big up yourself, dog.
Alright, later.
Boy, team, good teamwork, you know, we try. We try. Our worst, we just a flick on. We try. How much we get to number one, my team? We are ranked for number one today, my ladies. We're there. Go 90k down for number one, my ladies. We're there go 90k down. That's what I say. And we are going power tap the live, my team, please and thanks. Everybody who just joined the live, now doing some power tap there on the screen. If I can share up the life, you can share up the life in your place. Bombo clot.
What's that?
What's happening?
What's
What's
going
wrong with you with
on?
all
Toad
these
said let you
restrictions?
in. Hold on, let me turn my phone up. What'd you say?
What's wrong with you and all these restrictions? You're showing cleavages.
Hey, this is what I had on today, and I just came live to save a fragment. That's why I needed to take my talents elsewhere where I could just be myself. TikTok be like over here like you too sexy. Like what? Men be on here with no shirt, but I can't wear my bodysuit that I had on all day.
Say you wanna come here with no shirt. You can do that.
No, y'all men be having no shirt on and don't get no restrictions. How is that fair?
Ladies, them have
Men be literally sitting here acting like tattoos or tank tops with no fucking shirt on. But then me, who's fully covered, I got an entire bodysuit on.
I never see nobody over here with no shirt.
Yes, all the time.
For real?
Yeah, on the American side, these dudes never be having shirts on. They literally be on here with just tattoos and chests out.
I never take my shirt off here yet, so I don't know.
Nobody wants to know manga change.
Jack McQueen, I saw y'all deal with me.
Yo, easy, Queen.
Don't worry, man. I'm soon go back at the gym, man, and get back.
I
joke.
You know, some start.
Wait,
You
Aki got
got my
sawfish? Or is Aki got something else?
See, I start to eat up my food from early and them thing there.
That better be a new plate.
No.
The same
I right
plate?
around the clock, me consume, man.
Us men gotta let our girls breathe. JK, no, y'all ain't never let them breathe. Yeah, man. So what you got going on over there? You trying to beat me up? I see you looking.
I'm trying to rank. I'm trying to rank for number one.
Oh, for today? You pushing for today?
Yeah, just today.
Okay. What number you at right now?
2.
Okay, Chad. They pushing. You trying to fight? Who's gonna fight with me? Fight! Chad, fight him back, please. Last time he beat our ass really bad. What's it take your shirt off, my brethren? Yo, let him alone. What he's gonna wear? Say, wait. Not y'all smell. You know what? I appreciate men that don't stink. Cause they said that Donkey Kong Jr. said that men stink more than women. I said I appreciate men that smell good because some men be stinking. Like I don't like when somebody smell like fucking skin. I don't like when you smell like outside. Yeah, first give times 3. Let's beat him up and let him choke on his Yeah, make him choke on him.
Use the tripper, Akeam.
Chad, can we use the triples? Come on.
Use the tripper.
Smell like the sun. Yeah, they're stinking. Chad, come on. Told you missed it. Oh, Jesus. No. Chad, tap the lines. Tap the lines, Chad. Tap the lines. B Meadows, thank you.
We need 90K, I know. Just 90K for go number one.
Chad, we just need 100K to be awesome.
You can send me two universe, please.
B Meadows with the left. Hello, I like the one that use deodorant because of religion. What? Like the ones that don't use deodorant because of religion. Like, what religion say if it stink? Gucci. What?
You can send me 2 TikTok universe, please.
No. I have it.
Alright.
Give me I look for you and you. Yeah, ask me for 2. What religion say you
Just that time, my love.
your body order? Chad, I thought he was talking to somebody in his chat. He was talking to me. I'm over here begging for y'all to give me a uni. He asking for a uni. Oh, what type of thing this? Chad. Wait, is Indian culture? No, I've literally heard where they say that they can't use deodorant because of their religion. Chat, doubles. A galaxy will catch us up, Chad. 2 galaxies. Ooh, did we light up our galaxies? No. Come on, Chad. Light something up. Chad. Where we at? Oh, galaxies is lit up. Chad, who got 4 fireworks? Wait, who's doing that? Donkey Kong! Shake that corgi ass!
Sister, thank you so much.
Chad, W Donkey Kong! LOL toxin. Dagger and deodorant. Well, you know what? No, I think that's an excuse to be a funky ass because if they're saying the toxins can't they make their own natural version? I think it's Muslim as well. No, my Muslim friends use deodorant. That's a lie. Queen, don't our Muslim friends use deodorant?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not Muslims.
But I think that's who does it.
Oh, that's who does it?
No, it's not cheap.
Wait, so my friends are not real. Hold on. They be using deodorant. They ladies are not allowed to cut their hair either.
Only can move this far. Look on Google.
Listen. I listen. Everybody's entitled to.
So you guys use deodorant?
Yes, but they said Muslims are not supposed to. My Indian coworkers don't use any. Hey! Jesus! This is the question I have. What is the temperature and the workload where you work at Gucci? You don't got to tell me what you do. I don't know if you want to meet anybody in your business. But
I don't use deodorant and I shower one time a week.
What's the workload and what's the humidity?
JJ.
What?
I don't use deodorant and I shower one time a week and I smell perfectly fine.
I don't believe in that. Hey, Fat and Sandra hurt me. You're ashy again. You love being ashy in my chat. Oh no, it says you're not ashy. It's just not showing up. That's a glitch. My bad. You're not ashy. Toronto cold 90% of the time. Do they stink though? I'm just trying to see their rate of stinkiness. Cause I hope They can use perfume though. No? Because they can use like oils and stuff. Thank you for the community heart. No, send this. Your actual heart me, the 1 coin one. This. Chat, please. Smell, turn away the way. Turn all the way up. Mm-mm. No. Limes help. Rate of stank. Yeah, I just want to know the rate of stank. Because me, if I feel like that's even the thing. After I work out, I don't stink. Chat, watch the snipe. Chat, please. Snipe. Chat, they're gonna snipe us. Chat, they're gonna snipe. I told you they're gonna snipe us. No. Chat, no, you're right.
We're so close.
Yo, look at the score. It's the six. Chat, just flip our numbers around. We would tie. No. MVP Donkey Kong
Thank you so much, my ladies.
Thank you, G Battles, Toad, Fallen Boy, Ed, Victoria Salvador.
Kelly,
Come
thank
on,
you.
chat.
Erica, thank you.
Chat, who can light up these fireworks?
What, my dog? I look at Joe's.
Not you guys. Who you guys serving you?
No, nobody.
I have a dog. King, go get my water.
I just show me that on the live. Me, I beg my dog some water.
No.
Yeah, water. Come there on the live, man. I beg my dog.
Chat. We wasn't paying attention. We was caught up in the smells. I know. I was caught up in the conversation too. Chat. First gift doubles. Who's got a fireworks? Chat. Who's got a fireworks? Who can light up these fireworks?
What? Double.
On a Friday. I know I ain't live, but listen. I had my reasons. I've been tired.
Use it double.
Chat, who can use the first gift double?
Use it double.
Here's the money gun. Something.
Use it double, my team.
Yeah.
Team go on today. I'm gonna have for them.
Good night, Fireboy. Good night. Chat, somebody's calling your name. It's the fireworks. Cat. Why? Oh God! Not all these double. Salvador, thank you for liking the live. Donkey Kong Jr. Chat, can y'all tap the screen? If you in here and you don't have coin, you have fingers. Please tap my forehead. Just tap the screen. Tap the screen. We should be above 19 points off of taps alone. Doubles, chat. 2 roses. 1 rose, 2 rose, 2 people, 1 rose. Send some rose. Tap the screen and tap the gift box. Tap the uni and all of that. Thank you, Donkey Kong. Thank you, Toad. La 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 la. Thank you, Toad.
Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Donkey Kong, thank you! Chad, use the doubles.
Use the double, team. Use the double. Use the double, my team.
Chad, use the doubles.
Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Jesus Christ, thank you, Donna.
Use the double, my team. Use the double.
Doubles. You hear some
No, my team are there and dip on a pause.
Chad, listen, he said his team not there. Beat him up. Help me! Use the doubles!
It's a
Chad, you gotta play the double.
I go on now.
The double. Even if there's somebody. Look. Look at this! How are we neck and neck? Chad, don't do this to me again. Don't do this. Do this like Brutus. Girl, the way you were saying that, I thought you was going to say Elmo. Victoria, shut the fuck up.
Okay, okay, sir.
They over there playing chess deep in this game. I don't care. What's that on your background? What's that say?
Right around there.
Yeah, what's that? Is that a ice
My
cream?
logo.
Oh, I like ice cream. You know I'm blind. You like ice cream.
You like ice cream?
It looks like ice cream. I did have some ice cream earlier before I came live, but that looks like ice
So
cream.
I think about ice cream.
It's just like an ice cream scoop. I'm very blind. It looks like an ice cream scoop. I can't see it. That's what I asked. What it was. He said it's his logo.
I'm
That's not like ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop.
It's me.
Oh, it's a person. Yeah, with a red shirt on. It's a person. Oh, I see it. Now I can see it. I'm really blind though. It looks like ice cream scoop. Cause like I can't see like what's your head? Your head looks like a little chocolate chip or like melted chocolate. And then that brown around that looks like brown. Looks like ice cream chocolate caramel drip. And like a little blue cup. Don't like a little cup with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, but I'm blind.
Alright. Well, play one more.
Chat! That's what it look like. It does look like an ice cream scoop. That's like a vanilla ice cream with caramel drizzle on top.
One galaxy. We can make on
Maybe
4
strawberry.
galaxy.
It looks like strawberry caramel. And an ice
Make
cream
on
cup.
4 galaxy, my ladies, please.
Chat, can y'all please not let us lose this one, please?
4
Please.
galaxy. 4 galaxy.
Come on, beat Mr. Ice Cream Scoop.
4 galaxy, my team. 4 galaxy.
Dad!
Snipe.
They're gonna snipe us. I told you.
Snipe.
Snipe! Snipe it down, things like cookies!
Alright, come. 1-1 though. 1-1.
Let's go, Cookie! Thank you!
Classic.
Yes! Snipe the snipe! MVP
1-1.
Cookie, thank you, Dr. Donkey Kong. I said Dr. Donkey Kong.
Thank you, my team.
You got a glove, Toad, Donna, Farm Boy. I know Farm Boy. Bella, Salvador, and Maid, and Neon. Alright, chat. Whoever wins this last one takes everything. Don't make it easy. Don't.
Alright then, team. This is our last game. We can dominate her on the last game. Hold on.
Always.
You send off your match.
Me? Who sent it? I sent it. Didn't I? Oh, I accepted it or sent it?
I guess it's your turn.
Did I send it?
Let's see.
Chat, who sent it? Me or them?
Alright, see you then.
Oh, not you want the first chat. Let's make our triples worth it. You did all that for our triples.
First triple.
Triples.
Use that triple on my team. Use that triple.
Damn,
Use
chat.
that
We hit 83. This is a diabolical word.
Use that triple.
Diabolical.
Use the triple. Use the triple. Use the triple, my team.
Let's go, Donnie! I want to go apply this. No! Woo! Jet! Who is helping over there? What the fuck is going on? Jet! He pushes me number one though. I wish he number one now. Jet, what the fuck? Roxy! That is right. That's a fact.
Team. How much for that to number one? We are making us on LT.
Victoria! That's right.
With the 20k to number one team.
Yeah.
I was so come off so stressed, man.
Somebody
With
do
the
your
20k to number one.
Just catch your fucking speed, chat. Catch your fucking speed.
Thank you, Chad.
It's to it.
Foxy Roxy.
200.
Danny. Marky.
Chat.
Oh my God.
It don't matter. Light something up in this bitch.
2 and up, my team. 2 and up.
Victoria. What happened? Donkey Kong Town.
I was mad
Thank you,
crazy,
Donkey Kong. I appreciate you. Chat. Somebody's calling my name. Oh,
20k we need. We're gonna want more and up, my team. Team, some ladies them they come out for can't beg someone on some help, please.
Chat.
Please and thanks. Some of the ladies them they come out them. Woo!
Thank you, Donkey Kong. Thank you.
10 more K we need. Team. 10 more K. 10 more K. 10 more K. 10 K.
No, the fuck it's not. No, it's
Thank
not.
you so much. 10 more K we
What are
need,
you
team.
talking
We're gonna
about?
small.
Thank you
10
so
more
much,
K.
Donkey Kong.
10 more K we need, team. We can beg
Thank
on some
y'all. Chat,
galaxy.
somebody get these fucking
Or some beg on some galaxy. We need 10 more K we need. Anyone our ladies them were there.
Razzle dazzle this
We
shit.
need 10 more K to number one. May I beg on up?
Thank chat. We need 10 more K.
Roxanne!
Save our faces.
Thank
Come on,
you
let's
so
get to
much.
33K.
Thank you, my team. Whoa. One.
Thank you, Cookie. I appreciate it.
Well done.
All our days after this. No, I'm wide awake. I want revenge.
Thank you so much, my team.
Bro,
Thank you so much, my team.
Cookie was doing his best and the score went up to 200K. He was like, okay, broke Cookie now. He put a smoke. And I said, broke boy. Where he put his.
Go to 7.
He's trying to chat. Victoria, wake the fuck up and go to the top. Wake up, Victoria. Wake up. Wake up, Victoria. Wake it up. Get up.
They're gonna 1-1 Galaxy, my team.
Browser,
1-1 Galaxy. We can be gonna 4 Galaxy, my
You
team.
still up talking about no. Then you up.
4 Galaxy, my team. 4 Galaxy.
You are up. You are up.
My ladies, we are big on a 4 Galaxy.
Chat, 4 fireworks.
Come
4
on, so
unis, chat. 4 unis and we're there. Or maybe 5.
4 Galaxy, my team. 4 Galaxy.
5. Nope. Chat. We need
Majestic touch.
5. We
Thank
need
you.
5.
Majestic.
Gloves.
Holy
5
follow, you know.
for the glove. Just
Majestic
in case.
look like she go send me 4.
Right? It's my man.
That is it, you know. Hey, man, know me support them, me no man when they
I'm
pass
hating
through, you know.
it.
Then I just left me stranded, so you know. I wait for nobody else to do it. If them want to do it, then just do it and done, you know, man. Majestic, thank you.
5 will do it. Listen, chat, y'all not focused. We got 10 seconds.
Team one,
Listen,
6
5
Anna,
unis
6 Anna.
and the glove. Why are y'all
6
not sending
Anna.
y'all gloves? And why are the unis
6
not
Anna,
togethering?
6 Anna.
Together we are. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Focus, motherfuckers. Focus.
Thank you
Why
so
are y'all
much,
not
my
sending
team.
gloves? And why are you not sending unis and lions?
Come play one more
My
with me.
screen should be loud as shit. It should be, I shouldn't even be able to hear nothing but music and roaring Mufasa, the jungle, the universe. What the fuck? MVP Cookie.
I appreciate you so much, you know, man. Thank you, you know,
Thank you,
my
Cookie,
team.
Victoria, and Kaya. I appreciate y'all.
Thank you, my team. See ya.
Why is it so quiet over here, chat? It should be unis and lions and leons and Zeus bringing thunder down. Why are y'all so quiet?
Thank you so much,
All
my
these
team.
silent ass gifts.
Roxy. Tanya Maki, Majestic touch. Thank you, no, man. Oh, God, man, my team.
Next time, chat. Next time he's on my screen,
Big
it
on
needs to
6
be
Anna. To
loud.
my 40K, you know.
Be loud over here. It needs to be loud. How far are
40K
you?
reach 700K.
How far are you?
Number 1.
Oh, you made it. Then why you over here making all this hooting? Why you hooting and hollering like you ain't make it? You all this hooting and hollering, all this mathematician. You made it. You at the top. What you talking about?
Sky's the limit.
Don't thank me, only you. Chat. Now, who's next week's guardian? Put your member in. Put your rank in
Thank you
now.
so much, faithful.
We don't got no guardian.
Team, use that triple. Use it triple. Use it triple. Use it triple. I can't beg on a money gun.
That's what I'm
Beg
saying.
on a money
Chat.
gun, my team. Beg on a money gun.
Can I beg y'all a lion, please?
Beg on a money gun, my team.
That's what I'm saying. This is crazy. This is crazy. Chat, no, for real. Who gonna be next week's guardian? We have to discuss this.
Thank you.
We need to discuss this, chat. Who's going to be next week's
Majestic touch. Holy for love, you
guardian?
know.
Live this week enough.
Majestic touch. Holy for love. Alright, team. We need.
That's the rain again?
Why?
Yo, it rains so much here in Florida.
35K. We need.
No, Donkey Kong.
Sony B.
Already. We need
Yeah,
to
but Sony B. Sony.
Ask for Zeus. Ask for Zeus. They don't go that bad.
35K.
Cat, our focus is a Zeus, okay? We're gonna get a Zeus. You already lit up the lions. What's the duty of a guardian? Okay, so Donkey Kong, a guardian can send you a shield weekly. So you have to do it this week for next week. A guardian can send you a shield
Team.
weekly, and you can forge a fragment. So like if it's you know what? I want Aleem to come back and tell me how much it is to forge a fragment. So you can do a gifting task. Like when I was in A1, I think Farm Boy said it was like almost 100K to forge a frag. But if you send a guardian thing and you're my guardian for next week, you can save a fragment and you can also forge a fragment by doing a gifting task within like an hour. The earlier you do it in the day, like
we need 35K.
it's usually less. But as rankings go up, so does the amount because it's all on you. That's if you can. You can forge like you could literally give me a whole fragment in a league.
Team, we just need 35K, my team. Some of our ladies them we can help out. We are gonna some help them, my team, please and thanks. If some of my ladies them can help out, we are gonna a small support my ladies them, please and thanks. Me, Melisha, whole heap of love in a Melisha. Team. Woo! 25K to go. Foxy Roxy! Thank you so much, my sister. Wumba, sissy poor man. Shoo. Team, we want 25 more K to go. 25 more K to go, my ladies. 25 more K to go, my ladies. 25 more K to go, my team. 25 more, my team. Use it double team, use it double. Melisha, thank you. Team. Can't be gonna one girlie coded. I can't be gonna one girlie coded. Team are big on some anart. Faithful, thank you so much, you know, man. Why, faithful. And Foxy Roxy. Thank you so much. Team, we literally want 24K. 23K now. Sony! Thank you. 23K now, my team, we need 23K. Just 23K we need now, my ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Boy. Ladies, them call me and say push. And they never cap. And from my ladies, them must say no Allah.
By the end of the week, so Aleem sent it last week for this week. So fragments fall off every week. Fragments fall off because I ain't been going live. So I wasn't live, but 2 days? And we lost 2 fragments.
What?
We lost the one from A3 and then we lost one in here. But I feel like I don't know. I'm gonna see what it says, but it says I have.
Oh, top of like them team. I'm and Chichi over here.
Yeah, it says guardians can protect your shield 1 fragment a week.
Just so much,
right.
man. Foxy,
yeah, 2 days. Okay.
Faithful. Sexy Tanisha, thank you. You're not going to run it off with me?
Yeah, you still pushing? Go ahead. It's probably I don't know if there's anybody on. Keep pushing with me. I don't care.
Thank you so much, Chichi.
No, you're welcome.
That is it. Come in, power tap live.
So but we need 1 guardian a week. So we've had one since it came out the past 2 weeks. So first it was Farm Boy, this week was Aleem, but you got to send it before Sunday. Victoria, it's new. It says it to me right here. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let's screenshot this.
Like if you
Use a triple team. Use the triple team. We need 25K, my team. Use that triple A my team. We need 25K. My son now. But we by teamwork we can put it down.
So it says your guardian. Oh, it shows you your guardian. It shows it on my end.
what does the queen do?
Some people have gone. Melisha.
Oh wait.
Melisha.
You can have up to 10. Leisure. You can get a chance to get a league shield when you. Hold on. Why? Wait, that worked? So yeah, wait, what the fuck?
No,
So
the king does.
I'm trying to see something.
It says right here.
This week's Guardian. Oh, it shows me my history. What?
What is the key then?
Yeah, the king can do that, so.
Oh, I'm confused. Your Guardian. Oh, yeah. So Guardian can do it up to 3 times a week. They can do a rank boost. And then your Guardian can send you 1 leisure between. I think that's why that's why we still have 2 fragments.
All right.
That's why we still have 2 fragments. Chat, one more. Rose. Thank you, Toes. Chat, one more
Can use
person.
of the double.
Chat, one more person of
Can
Rose.
use a double, my ladies, please.
Chat, one more person of Rose. Chat, one more person of Rose.
No, clean. Clean is this.
Thank you, Donkey Kong.
That is a knife.
Hold on, I'm trying to put this up so y'all can see.
Misha.
Hold on.
Holy palofino Misha.
That's a horse.
Holy palofino Misha. Clip. Holy palofino.
Look. So it says,
use the double.
this is my Guardian. They can rank you.
Use the double, my team. Use the double, my bombo clot, sexy fucking Changi. Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my sister. Bombo na team, we need 12K. We need. That's 12K, my team. Chatter, just 12K we need, team. We are begging on 2 Galaxy, I will take time, cut down the 10K. Just 12K we need, my team. We are begging on 2 Galaxy, I will take time, cut down the 10K, my ladies. Please and thanks. Clippings, big up yourself, you know. Team, we can just go and spam some Anna, them ladies, please. Cause we're close, you know. Almost 11K with there now. We can go and spam some Anna, the please. We are going really good. We need, I just level, how much you need? You need about 12K. 12K we need. Misha, thank you. Melisha, thank you. Thank you, Melisha. We just need about 12K, my team. I beg you people, them want small recharge, one $10, one $5. Anything when I have, my ladies. I don't know, I just, my people have been a support me from morning then there, you know. I mean, even want pressure my people, I'm not telling you no lie. I even want pressure my people. So, who in there? Thank you for your honor, you know. Who in there? We are big on one little small push, man. Yeah, for give me like 10 minutes. Thank you, my team. Team, big on some more anat. After that, 10K we need. We want like 8 more anat. 8 more anat, my team. After that, that was 10K we need. Alright, team, 10K we need in the last match. We say if we can do it, that is it in a Melisha. If we can beg on some Anna, my team, clip, thank you, clip. Whole heap of love, clip. Kill it, big up, With the close, my team, with the soul.
No! But yeah, chat. But we need, a Guardian has to be somebody that's reliable. Because it's like...
Changi, me appreciate it, man, big up yourself, clip, my sister.
Not
Alicia.
even 20.
Keely, Rose, everybody who can support me.
Thank y'all for tapping the screen. Not even 20 points, chat. On the wicked. Chat. On the wicked. You pushing though. Shit. Chat, listen.
Can I maybe play the last one, man, sis? Hold on there. X office.
He trying to get a triple. Hold on. He trying to get a triple. Chat.
Send it boxes.
Maybe you should send it, because I think I sent the last two and it's been double.
No, I can't. When you send it, I get the triple.
No, it's double. See, I sent it. Maybe you should send the last. Maybe you try and send it. If it's the same thing, then. Queen. His you.
TikTok the fuck up, you know.
Yeah, there you go. See, you sent it that time. So, as a guardian, listen, it's a lean sent a picture. I was showing you guys. So, depending on the time, depending on your time in your league, like for instance, he had 1 hour to send 26K in order to forge a fragment. You see it? And he could do it. Let me mirror my camera.
Triple.
That first get times 3. Let me show.
Use a triple, my team. Use a triple.
This is about to fall out.
Use a triple. We just need 11K, my team. Just 11K we need.
It's in the rankings. See,
Not by the way, 10K we need. Just 10K we need, team. Just 10K.
And you can do it 2 to 3. You can do it 3 times a week.
X.
Chat, first get times 3.
That is it in a clip.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
it only shows it to you once you're a guardian. So I've been the past 2 guardians, I've been asking them to send me screen recordings. So we got a screen recording. So like Akeam went through my fragments and it showed him as a guardian. But last time Farm Boy went through the gift box. So Farm Boy went through the gift box and did this.
Mommy have 2 boys. Thank you. Clip, thank you.
Who is this with this blurry?
We are making up 4 more of them.
Nobody got time for this shit.
X, thank you so much. 3 more of them. X, thank you,
I'm gonna
sister.
show you guys. So
X, thank
Farm Boy
you.
went from
1
this
more.
way.
Alright, that just 5K. We need just 5K for reach your life goal. They're gonna want Anna.
Farm Boy showed himself
Thank you so much.
going from here
Good morning.
and going to the banner. You see that banner that's across the top?
Ready, thank you. Good morning.
He clicked on the banner, and then in here was the same thing. So you can go, and I also feel like you can click. So Farm Boy's video recording was him going to the gift box and clicking on that banner from the top, the Guardian banner. And then chat, one more rose. And then Aleem's screenshot showed from the fragments. That's from my fragments. See that? Like if you guys were to click on my league, that's from the rankings. Or if you click on my page, there's that little A1 badge, or it says A3. Who I think I am. We're in A3 right now, chat. So that's the difference. Chat, rose. Who got a rose? Send a rose. 1 more rose, chat. Send the rose. Come on, we got to at least catch the speed. Chat, or wicked. Oh no, wicked. La la la. Come on, chat. Really? On last game, y'all ain't got roses. Right. Victoria, you was in here typing words and then send me a rose to catch the speed.
Thank you so much. Team.
What is wrong with you?
Shoot pan a double.
All you chatty patties. All you chatty patties. And I all you chatty patties not sending roses.
Thank you so much.
Keyboard, but you're not tapping the rose.
Thank you.
You're tapping letters to form fucking words, to form a fucking sentence instead of forming up my score and building it up.
Thank you so much.
Before you, what is all this talking? I don't know. I was invested in learning. Stop learning. Now I want you to mindlessly tap the fucking rose.
Thank you so much, Mattia.
Stop learning, Victoria. Cut the learning.
We can go on a ceasefire.
The task at hand. This is the only thing we're learning.
Team, we have to do on a ceasefire. Tomorrow, remember we have Patrick. That are the person we ever do. Talia, we ever do prank call named Patrick. We have a good match with her tomorrow, my team. And tomorrow we want to come beat and teach. So we do a ceasefire team. We came out excellent today, and we came out to execute, and we couldn't do it no better without a team like this what we have. That's what I say. I did give up one time, and then I just see my bad sister don't give up, push, and my sister help me come push same way. You see it? Big up on yourself. Anywhere on the day in the world or anywhere on the lay down and sit down, my ladies. Thank you so much, because nobody else could do it. If I know Rosie or Bossy, you see what I say, and make me feel special, which I am. And I want to give you thanks for that. You see what I say. Great job, my team. Great job, my team. Great friggin' job. We come out for do something.
Number one.
Even do better.
No, you're not, Victoria. You number 2.
Yeah, so me I say.
Cookie's number 1. You're a passenger seat driver. Okay, you're a passenger princess.
That's it.
You're my number 1 in this because you tapped first.
Market.
Thank Victoria, Salvador, and Dog Tone Jr. Chat. Tap the damn screen. We didn't get that
Lily.
got my bed. I'm gonna go set up my DJ equipment.
Myself, man. That was it. Okay.
Yeah, you ain't my number 1. You just tap first.
Okay, Chi.
Later,
Thank you
Akeem.
so much.
You're
Holy
welcome. Keep pushing.
That is it. You know, say me just easy because I wanted to just reach 700K and I actually reached it. So
Oh yeah. That's a good start to the day. Reset just had. Wait, when y'all reset's the same, right?
No, 3 o'clock.
Oh, I was like, damn, that's a good start to the day. Jay, I'm in La La Land. Oh, okay. So your reset's in 3 hours.
Yeah.
Never mind.
2 hours and 34 minutes to be
Yeah,
exact.
so it's at 3 a.m. Okay, got it.
Yeah. So you know it go.
Yeah, that makes sense. I didn't know it was on Cali time, basically. All right, later.
Okay, no problem. Take care.
Jay, what the fuck?
Woo! Nobody else, me say. I don't care if I'm on the run, as long as I'm next to you.
Back at you. Bad girl.
Dad, Dad! I've been good to you.
I think you get this too, baby. Yeah, hold up. Bad girls ain't no good, and the good girls ain't no fun. Look, and the bad girls.
Love story anyway. Cliche. Who wants that hero love that saves the day? Anyway, cliche. What about the bad guy goes good? Yeah, an innocent love, a misunderstood. Yeah, black hourglass, toast to cliches in the dark past. Toast to cliches in the dark past.
drink off. My nails get dirty, my past ain't pretty. My lady is, my Mercedes is. My baby mama harder than a lot of you niggas. Keep it 100, hit the lottery niggas. You ain't about that life, ain't got a lot of me nigga. You know it's to the death, I hope it's I be the niggas. Cross the line, speak about mine, I'ma wait this tech. I'm a geek about mine, touch a nigga where it's written back. I click clack, put your motherfucking wing back. I did that, I've been violent since a juvie. She was a good girl till she knew me. Now she's in the trap, busting you and screaming. Deeper than words, beyond right, die for your love, beyond life, sweet as a Jesus piece, beyond ice, blind me baby with your neon lights, Ray-Bans on, the least in sight, oh what a beautiful death, let's both wear white, if you go to heaven and it bring me to hell, just sneak out and meet me, bring a box of L's, she fell in love with the bad guy, what you doing with them rat guys, they
I'm glad this anyway. Power Tap Your Life, me team. That love story
Anyway, cliche. Who wants that hero love that saves the day? Anyway, cliche. What about the bad that goes good? Yeah, an innocent love misunderstood. Yeah. Like hourglass, toast to cliches in the dark past. Toast to cliches in the dark past.
Power Tap Your Life, team. Team, big up on yourself, man. You do a raw push, you know, man. Nobody else but team, I got you here. Hey, hold on. I don't care if I'm on the run. I want everybody with Spice Jockey. We might reach, but we might late, but we reach. I want everybody on my platform before we leave, we Spice Jockey a happy birthday. If she not there if you see it, we know she have to hear about it. And you know why? This is special. Spice Jockey is one of my biggest supporters over here. That's what I say. And she's been such a loyal supporter of the team I got you. So, I want everybody Jockey for me there, please and thanks. Bless her upon her birthday. Yes, what I say? I want to bless up Spice Jockey upon her birthday. You see it? A good peeps because I meet her in person and she have such a warming vibe. Yes, what I say? I want big up her upon her birthday. Spice Jockey, a happy birthday to you on behalf of team I got you and the family. I want to tell you that you're very appreciated and loved over here. Here, Mama Spice, you don't know already. You know our talk. What we talk, team? When they want to size up with you, what we talk? What we are question we are going to ask them? I say if my team know. I say if my team know we good. Why question we are going to ask about mind people? That is it. I know. You have no money, man. Eh? Big up yourself for your strong Spice Jockey. We ask them again, Spice. They want no money, man.
Baby, long as I'm next to you. And you love me is a crime. Tell me what we got the best in you.
I've been searching for what I feel like. That is it, my team, man. You don't know he's not even he's a family over here. You see it? So on behalf of the family, yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Spice Jockey, big up yourself, man. Happiest birthday, Spice Jockey. You don't know. Later, my team, blessings and blessings and blessings, blessings. One heap of love, my team. Blessings. When the happy birthday stop coming.
Got an outlaw chick.
That is it, no more. Take care, my team. I love you guys so much. Good night, good night, good night. Mwah, 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 mwah. Take some peace. Good night, team. I love you guys. I'll see you in the morning, alright? Remember, tomorrow, 8 o'clock, my team, with big match. Big match with watch it. Love one. Good night, guys. Good night. Sexy job.
They can't help me until the first one.
Up for the money.
Facts no man, you.
Yeah, acho.
Ever this some other woman in